to the session. How is everyone? Hi Yash, hello Sunny, hi Mukesh, hello Soumya, hi Churchill, hello Prabhav, Nimisha, hello Divanshu, Vishal, Amit, hello Bhavesh, hi Karan, hi Kat, hello Ritik, hello Ashutosh, hello guys, how are you all? Hi Devanshi, welcome to the session. I hope everyone's doing good. Welcome to the session, guys. Hi Devanshi, hello Siraj. Shubham, Sagar, Pallavi, Sneha 0531. Hi Aditi, hello Zishan. Hello, hello Aditya, welcome to the session. Good evening, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to see all of you join in. Hello. One second, guys. Come on, let's get started. Hello, Churchill. Hi, Vasu. Hello, Monica. Hi, Bishwaroop. Hello, Bhavna. Hi, Salini. Welcome to the session. Okay, good to see everyone join in, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good evening. Okay, guys, so I want all of you to be a part of the group Unacademy_Ritu Dudodia for your complete preparation of the VARC section. Good evening, Amit. Welcome to the session. Okay, guys, I will pin up the link of the group. मेरे को 1 second दो. Hello, Gaurav. Welcome. So, guys, what did you do? 5 से लेके अब तक क्या किया आपने? Hi, Bhavna. Hello, yo. Guys, what did you do? 5 बजे से लेके अभी तक क्या किया आप सबने? Thank you, Pallavi. Okay, guys, the link is being posted. Hi, Yogeshwari. Shopping किया? किस चीज की shopping की? Is it? Okay, but I didn't share. Okay, okay, but that's a good point. I will not ask anybody else to share as well. Hi, Tanmay. LRDI के questions किए? Rest किया? Studied a bit, took a nap. Namaste, Tanmay. Hi, Lekhna, Anjali, Namya. Rewatched CR basic concept videos. Nice, Pringle. Stood in the rain. Wow. Quant. हाँ शुभम every day 5 p.m. YouTube पे नमस्ते अरे okay thank you. By the way 0531 means book पढ़ी. Very good. Good evening guys. Hi Shubhi. Okay, test match तो is very hi. Hello Anubhav. All out na? I think at some 74 या कुछ. Okay, come on guys, let's get started. So I want everybody 78. Correct. Birthday, date and month. You are born okay on 31st May. पर उससे आपका नाम कैसे पता चलता है? No Neha. Nice Devanshu. Hi Ayush. Okay, come on guys, let's get started. Acha, Baba the Traveler. Okay, very good. Hi Baba the Traveler, welcome. So you've become non-plus, is it? Okay guys, come on, let's get started. So live classes, weekly tests, structured courses, unlimited access to the entire CAT portal. All you have to do is take the subscription really soon. Okay, 6-month subscription, 12-month subscription, 24-month subscription. Just use the code RITUMBA in order to enroll. Okay, guys, अभी limited edition offer चल रहा है. 12 months पे 3 months free, 24 months subscription पे भी 3 months free. I want everyone to take the subscription as soon as possible. And while taking the subscription, guys, और कोई code नहीं, only RITUMBA. These are the upcoming batches, guys. Be a part of my RCNCR batch. Okay, guys, plus subscribers, don't forget. तो आज की क्लास कल है, so कल everyone 12 noon. I want all of you to attend. Okay, guys, all the plus subscribers, do not forget tomorrow 12 noon. Okay, come on, guys, let's get started. ठीक है, तो guys हमने let's try out some para based questions. देना मत भूलना. 29th August enroll for free, mega combat है ये. You can win a lot of prizes. Okay. Campus ambassador program भी है. Those who are interested join in, guys. Certification मिलेगा, work from home opportunity मिलेगा, amazing goodies and gadgets and prizes मिलेंगे आप सबको. Hi Akanksha. Okay, come on guys, let's get started. 8 minutes. Okay, come on guys, first question on your screen, para jumble. Dan Churchill, we'll take that up as well. Hi, bonjour Meet. नहीं, para jumble से शुरू कर रहे. Come on guys. Hello Shruti. Come on guys, try out करो जल्दी. Monet is a very famous artist. One second, guys. Impressionist is a style of painting. Okay, guys, everybody seems to have given their order. Okay, let's poll. Options are 14253, 14325, 25314, 15423. Okay, shall we start the poll, guys? Fine, Shubham, like you can try out 10 at least. Like 10 rakh lo, number. Okay, let's start the poll, guys. Come on. Okay, 43%. Rohan, Amit, Tanmay, Ritik, Bhavesh, Ganesh, Abhishek, Shivani, Vishal, Ayush, Shubham, Zishan, Prabha, Gaurav, Nikhil, Akanksha. Okay, guys, quite a lot of you, but not all of you. That's the concern. Hi, Stuti, Vidya, Robbins, Drupad, Sagar. Okay, guys, the answer to the question is 14325. Let's discuss this and let's see why the others seem to have gone wrong. An oft quoted story, an often quoted story, is that of Monet having engaged a gardener just to meticulously means carefully, every single detail, the suit from the water lilies, as he wanted his lilies to look pristine always. The garden was designed for a specific way of seeing and a specific way of painting. In all, 8 gardeners cared and nurtured the place, with Monet spending a good part of the day with them. Okay. The gardener would, first thing in the morning, take a boat, go around cleaning all the leaves and flowers in the pond. It was Monet's second artistic medium, and here a number of impressionist greats like Rodin. Guys, can I say that this is very logical? Hi Anna, ये बहुत ही logical है guys, but I'm going to start with one because this is an often quoted story. This begins the narration. Shall I say that I'm going to start with one? Yes, Aditi, I'll take you through it. Let's just discuss this first. Guys, can I start with one? Okay, now guys, this says in the gardener. Can I say this the gardener refers to engaged a gardener? यहाँ पे gardeners plural है, so 3-4 को हम नहीं link कर सकते हैं. Engaged a gardener, what would the gardener do? Can I say 1 and 4 का link है because of a gardener and the gardener? This the gardener refers to this gardener mentioned in 1. करेक्ट ओके पहले गार्डन की बात करेंगे देन गार्डनर ठीक है आई कम टू दैट ऑर्डर ऑल्सो देवांशु ठीक है 1 मिनट आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दिस फुल थिंग फिर मैं आप सबके ऑर्डर्स लूंगी तो 1 कैसे पहले आएगा बिकॉज ठीक है आपको कौन सा स्टेटमेंट पहले लगाना है 2 द गार्डन वाज डिजाइन फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक वे ऑफ सीइंग किसका गार्डन मोने का गार्डन ना so you're not talking about the garden in general why the garden was invented or what's the purpose of a garden you're talking, you say the garden, you're referring to Monet's garden. Got it? Did you understand this? Clear? The garden. You're referring to a specific garden, which is Monet's garden. So we start with 1. 1 and 4 साथ में आएगा. ठीक है? तो the gardener would first thing in the morning take a boat, go around cleaning all the leaves and flowers in the pond. Totally 8 gardeners cared and nurtured the place. Now, can I say 143 talks about the gardening ka ritual that he engaged a gardener to clean. फिर वो gardener क्या क्या करता था? Totally 8 gardeners लगे ऐसे. Yes? Okay. The garden was designed. ठीक है 143 को साइड में रखते हैं. The garden was designed for a specific way of seeing and a specific way of painting. Specific way of seeing and specific way of painting. Which other statement connects कि वो garden का relation painting से था? That garden was used for painting. 5. So 2-5 का connection है. So either 2-5 can be your opener or 143, but we already decided 1 has to be your opener because it's Monet's garden. So guys, 14325. You had to put 2-5 together. You put 1-4 together. But guys, now where the confusion was where to put 3. For example, 3. It was Monet's second artistic medium, and here a number of impressionist greats like Rodin, Cezanne, Mira. Okay, all of this. In all, 8 gardeners cared and nurtured the place, with Monet spending a good part of the day with them. Now, guys, ye dekho. Why did Monet spend a good time with them? Because it was designed in a specific way. It was meant for a specific way of painting. Hi, Anna. Now, before you say कि Monet, spend a lot of time there, you've said other artists. Did you all understand, guys? 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Yes? Clear, everyone? Why 5 in the last? Because no, 2, 5 in the last, Pallavi. 2, 5 in the last. 2, 5 talk about the specific way of painting. Okay, is there a lag, guys? No, okay. So I'm definitely going to start with 1 and 4 will come together. 2 and 5 will come together because of specific way of painting, garden or painting ka connection. The only thing is 3 को कहाँ place करे? या तो 3 बीच में आएगा या तो 3 last में आएगा. 3 cannot come in the last, guys, because 3 is closer to the gardening ritual and Monet spending time to design the garden in a specific way. Did you understand this? Why 3 becomes the connector? It transforms from the ritual of gardening to how it was, why he spent a lot of time there. Why did he design it in a certain way? Okay, very good. Hi, Akriti. Next one, guys. Essence of the text. ये वाला हमने उस दिन किया था. Come on, let's try this out. Very distortions के check करने के लिए, guys, I've got this one for you. Hi, Akriti. Hello, Sunil. Come on, everyone, try. Shivani, we discussed a very abstract passage today. You have to go through skimming and scanning, just understand where what is given, and mainly rely on the questions and option elimination. Hi, Himanshi. Ritam, books will not suffice. You will have to go through an online material because RC is meant to be online. और फिर उसके लिए you will have to take, मतलब आपको to get credible marks in credible RC passages, you have to like in institution का किसी institution का आपको source लेना पड़ेगा. Hi Riddhi. PYQs कर सकते हो आप, पर वो एक limited है, मतलब there are limited PYQs. Yes, Aditi, of course you can. You should also, जैसे पैरा जम्बल्स के, RCs के, CR के, उन सब के basic courses है. Yes, Rohit, of course. नहीं शुभम, check करो everyone. Okay, let's start the poll. Correct, Devanshu. Hi, Darshan. Hello, Nicole. %67% accuracy. Sri Lanka's parliament has taken the rare step of accepting a huge donation of equipment, including computers, from a Chinese state-run company. China National Corporation, okay. The donation was received by the Sri Lankan parliament speaker from the Chinese ambassador. Very factual in nature. China had asked its ambassador in Colombo to donate equipment. China had asked its ambassador to donate equipment. Can I say that this is a distortion, guys? Ambassador is not donating the equipment. Yes or no? Did all of you understand this? Plus, it does not have the rare step wala point. Chinese state-run company has taken the rare step. Has the Chinese company taken a rare step, or Sri Lanka has taken a rare step? Sri Lanka has taken the rare step, not the Chinese company. So 2 goes out. Unprecedented act, never happened before, rare. Sri Lankan parliament, represented by its speaker, has accepted. Now, who has accepted? The parliament, represented by its speaker, but the acceptance is by the parliament. Huge donation of computers and equipment from the Chinese company. Fine. As decided by the Chinese ambassador and the speaker. It's not a decision between the two people. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand why the answer option should be 3? Clear? Yes, very good. Next one. Come on, guys. A teddy bear hospital. हाँ, पर Chinese ambassador ने नहीं decide किया. Chinese ambassador ने नहीं donate किया. He was just a medium. It was donated by China through him. So Devanshu, for YouTube, there's a software which we use called the OBS. ठीक है, उसमें green screen नहीं आता. And इसमें भी there's a key called the chroma key. But because of that, you know, the question kind of gets distorted sometimes, और उसमें थोड़ा सा problem आ रहा है मेरे को. That's why for now I'm not using the chroma option. Otherwise, through chroma, the green screen goes away and you can just see me without any background. Hi, Aman. Hi, Sajal. Welcome. Okay, should we start the poll, guys? Then pick that, Aman. Pick that. Okay, let's poll. Amit, Sneha, Anubhav, Aditi, Ray, Siddhant, Yogeshwari, Tanmay, Karan, Nil, Ganesh, Sagar, Akriti, Shubham, Pratima, Prabhav. Majority has gone wrong. No, if it's not listed, I don't think it should make an issue. Guys, anybody else from Delhi University? Hi, Anshul. It should be, that should be correct, Aman. It should not create a problem. Okay, so Riddhi, while filling up the CAT form, what did you do? What did you do? You just clicked on Delhi. Okay. I'll go through it. Yeah, okay. Aman, your friends have just filled Delhi. Even Prabhav has done the same. So you can go ahead with that. It will not make a difference. Okay, Riddhi also has done the same. Chalo guys, let's see this. A teddy bear hospital has been launched in the UAE where children can check in with their sick teddies, the first of its kind facility in the UAE to help minors overcome anxiety while seeing a doctor. Acha, okay, Shubham. In the opening session, teddy bears underwent a CT scan and were led into the surgery ward to get anesthetics before their operation. In a novel attempt to make children, can I say novel because of first of its kind? Hi, now, novel first of its kind. To make children comfortable while seeing a doctor, anxiety hatana while seeing a doctor, to make them comfortable while seeing a doctor, UAE has launched a teddy bear hospital where children can experience firsthand. Where children can experience firsthand means they can see it. उसके लिए कोई word जरूरी नहीं है. They can see it. Okay, the facilities like CT scan and anesthetics when they take their sick teddy bears for treatment. There's nothing wrong in this. There's nothing wrong with this option. In an attempt to help children overcome their fear of seeing a doctor, UAE has opened the first teddy bear hospital where children can take their sick teddy bears for treatment. And in the opening session, the teddy bears were given a CT scan and taken to the surgery ward for anesthesia. What is the problem with 2? What is the problem with 2? Hi, Utkarsh, that's okay. Launched, opened, novel. It talks about teddy, not children. It does talk about children, no? To help children overcome their fear of seeing a doctor. Anesthetics, anesthesia hai. Verbose, okay. Guys, see the circled word. Novel, first of its kind. Can I say यहाँ पे first of its kind missing है? Can I say first of its kind, novel, never happened before, unprecedented, missing है? Yes or no? Can I say that's missing? No. Open the first teddy bear hospital. That means that UAE का first teddy bear hospital है. अच्छा ठीक है, ओके फाइन. ये आपको लग रहा है कि फर्स्ट टेडी बेयर दिया है तो नॉवल है. ओके, नो अदर फॉल्ट गाइस, नो अदर फॉल्ट. ठीक है, नो अदर फॉल्ट. कम ऑन गाइस, think. No, fill the form. रे ऑपरेशन वर्ड मिसिंग है, पर वो तो इधर भी नहीं है. वन इज मोर ब्रॉडर. Okay, wait. We'll keep these two options on hold. Hi, Shobit. To get children familiar with a hospital. ये incorrect है. It's not to make them familiar with a hospital. Enable children with sick teddy bears to get treatment. Children are not getting treatment. Children are not getting treatment. The teddy bears are getting treatment. You can't say children with sick teddy bears to get treatment. Yes or no? मेरे को पहले B लगा था. Okay, guys. Now, whenever you're stuck between two options, अच्छा उसमें opening session भी है. Okay, when you're stuck between two options, guys, please make sure that you compare the differences between the two. Now tell me, guys, what are the differences? Comfortable is fine. Launched, opened. Yeah, Shivam, essence of the text comes. Novel. Fear and comfortable is the same. Experience. Okay, guys, I will point to one point. Can you please check the word essence of the text here? Can you please check the word essence of the text here? Hi, Anna. It's not a restatement question. The question is not a restatement question. It is an essence of the text. Why has the author written this paragraph? What is the focus of the paragraph? What is the point that the author wants to drive? Can I say that 2 is a restatement and not the essence? Look at 2. See, novel attempt. The focus of the passage is very important. In novel attempt to make children comfortable while seeing a doctor, UAE has launched a teddy bear hospital where children can experience firsthand facilities like CT scan, anesthetics, so they get comfortable and they are able to overcome their anxiety when they are exposed to these kinds of, medical services. That's the main essence of the text. Correct, Bhavesh. It's more about the experience and how they can overcome the fear because of the experience. The essence or the focus is important. Look at this. In an attempt to help children overcome their fear of seeing a doctor, UAE has opened the first teddy bear hospital where children can take their sick teddy bears for treatment, and in the opening session the teddy bears were given a seat. Don't you feel that this is grammatically also incorrect? They can take and in the opening session the teddy bears were given a CT scan. In the opening session refers to the first session when launch hua tha, tab kaise hua tha. But is that the essence of the text, or those are the facts? Don't you feel, guys? ये पॉइंट, डोंट यू फील कि जिस तरह से इसको फ्रेम किया गया है, दैट्स नॉट द एसेंस ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, दैट्स नॉट द ऑथर्स पोजीशन, दैट्स नॉट द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग द पैरा. इट्स जस्ट बेसिकली सारे डिटेल्स को कैसे तो करके लगा देना विदाउट इवन टेलिंग व्हाट्स द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग. हाय Anna, these are to be treated as examples. This is not the main point. Which option treats it like example, saying that okay, you get familiarized with these kinds of services. The focus is not CT scan. The focus is services like CT scan. So which option treats it the way it should be treated? Got it, guys? Did you understand the point here? Yes? So it's the essence of the text or the author's position rather than restatement. Correct. 2 is more about what happened in the opening session and about the sick teddy bear. It's not mainly about the fear of overcoming. Got it? You have to treat it like an example. Array. Okay, but good, Pallavi. Your reasoning is right there. Okay, wonderful, guys. Yes, Vishal. Essence of the text. 2 से 3 questions आते हैं आपको essence of the text के. Excellent, guys. Excellent work. 7 of you on 3 on 3. Very good. Okay, guys. Let's go to the next one. Chalo, para completion question on your screen. दोनों they are just homonym homophone है, मतलब same word है जिसके 2 meanings है. Spelling same है, बस 2 meanings है. No, Aditi, you can join the crash course. No, okay. Anyway, that'll be a setting. It'll help you. And then, if for some reason it does not work out, your goal is 2022 anyway. So you already have the crash experience behind you, and then you can, take up the concepts again. So it'll be a good experience. You actually get that benefit instead of a very slow long-term batch. You have a crash batch, and then you can directly plunge into the thick of things. So I think you should go for the crash batch. About 35 Parul in VARC. Definitely about 35. Hi, Manzil. Okay, guys, try this out. I'll get myself a glass of water. Okay. Hi, Jion, Abhishek. Okay, shall we poll? Correct, Shubham. Okay, guys, I'll ask you one question. How do you all attend classes? Like, since it's online, phone, laptop, you lie down. Option A, you sit on a chair or your bed or whatever. Stand, I don't think so. Anybody stands except me. But okay, anyway, how do you attend classes throughout the day? Because most of your time is spent. You sit on like a chair full day in your cabin, bed, chair, dining table, pool. Okay, lying down, bed, sofa, mixture of the three. Chair, table, bed, chair. Okay. You keep changing every time. Okay, on bed with phone. So if you're going through porn classes and all of that, phone is yes, Ray. Because I used to sit and take classes, but then I have done a major blunder and actually caused myself a lifetime of illness. So now I stand and take classes. Yes, Shubham. No, no, Manthan. It's just like a terrible back, like back spasms. Correct, Meet. That happens. No, no, it's just spasms, like back, and that it got better for 2 weeks, and then now again, I was really happy, and you could, like, I was really happy these last 2 weeks, and then now the problem, like today, I realized that the problem is it's reoccurred, so it's become like a recurring thing. Yes, Subha, that's the plan forever. Manthan does not really work out. I've tried everything, and plus the timings are really hectic, so it does not really happen also. Okay, anyway, guys, come on, let's poll. And now, Akriti, true, that can happen. Correct, Devanshu. Hence, Arey Shubham, pura din is almost like, a big exercise for me. Like, I make sure that, I walk for like an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours. Standing and taking classes and like I'm doing everything possible. Like I've done every little thing possible, and still, so thank you guys. Sneha, around 6 hours, six, yes, six, and plus the prep and all of that. Yes, Yogeshwari. Thank you guys. Okay, come on, guys. Let's start the poll. Chalo. Hi, Jagrati. Oh, thanks, Neha. I will then. But with all this COVID and all of that, imagine doing yoga also by learning online. So that is something that I wouldn't want to do again. Hi, Twinkle. Thank you, Ray. It's called para completion. Okay, come on, guys. Let's have a look at this. When or We'll discuss this. Okay. When organoids, the simplified and miniaturized version of an organ found in our bodies, were cultured in petri dishes some 5 years ago, it was considered among the biggest scientific advancement. Organoids, biggest scientific advancement. It opened up possibilities of studying how organs develop in your body, why they fail, and how they can be revived. Hi, Ree. Arey, Dia. I didn't. How? Why, Ree? Welcome to the session. Hi, Ankita. Using a patient's stem cells, cutting edge research is now being done to understand the most complex organ a human possesses, the brain. It's a brainy idea. Develop these cells into mini brains, understand what makes them tick, why they fail, test various forms of treatment. To do this, scientists are developing cerebral organoids from stem cells that have features of a human brain similar to what a developing embryo has in the womb. Yes, Amit, thank you. I will. Soon, let the situation get a little better though. Pharmaceutical companies are now exploring tie ups with leading academic researchers to investigate even complex brain disorders. Guys, don't you think pharmaceutical companies is a little irrelevant here? Hi, Anna. Don't you think pharmaceutical companies is a little irrelevant here? Doctors will be equipped with more tools to treat neurological disorders than what they currently have. Makes sense. Brain organoids are being used to understand the intricate and extensive neural network of human brain cells. Now, guys, ye dekho. Cerebral organoids from stem cells that have features of a human brain, similar to what a developing embryo has in the womb. Now, why are they developing this? Why are they developing this? The entire passage is to talk about understanding it. They have developed an organoid in order to understand stuff. Yes or no? Don't you feel pharmaceutical companies, doctors, they are still in the phase of understanding? Have they already been successful? The doctors will have more tools. Have they already been successful? No, brain organoids are being used. Now, see this. Scientists are developing cerebral organoids. Okay, now from stem cells that have the features, they are developing. It's not they will develop. They are developing and they are being used. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this? They are developing and they are being used to understand. They've not said they will develop. No, they've not said they are planning to develop. No, Prabhav, it will be future. When you say they have, okay. See, if I say, Prabhav, you're studying BCom, that means you will study in the future. You're studying in order to understand. They've not said they're planning to develop, are looking to develop, will develop, shall develop. No, they are developing. From stem cells, they're using stem cells and developing this, and they are being used to understand. Grammatically it's fine, but in fact pharmaceutical companies and doctors is when you understand and you actually develop something, and then you have a tool, and then they use it, and then they explore the options, and then they stuff like that. Okay, did you understand? D is definitely irrelevant. So guys, these are at a later stage. Got it, guys? The main purpose is studying. The main purpose is understanding. Okay, got it? Right, very good. Come on, next question. Come on, guys, next one. Hi, Anand. Correct, Manthan. So that's but it's just a little too, what do you say? It's just a little too fast to get there. Come on. Hello, Ashutosh. Hi, Roshan Lal. Correct. Correct, Devanshu. Done. Hello, Roshan. Okay, guys, come on, let's poll. So रोशन इट स्टार्ट्स एक्चुअली शुरू हो चुका है, कल भी उसकी क्लास है और सितंबर फर्स्ट वीक से भी शुरू हो रहा है. दैट्स अ कंप्लीट VRC क्रैश बैच. So guys, those who have not yet taken the subscription, don't forget to subscribe. And while subscribing, I want everyone to use the code RITUMBA. Okay, guys, Devanshu, Vishwaroop, Abhishek, Soumya, Jagrati, Shivam, Abhiroop, Siddhant, Karan, Shruti, Kartike, Saleni, Ranjana, Pratima और सागर. We'll start from when? Same legend batch का ही है शुभम. So same 12 से 1:30. It seems to work really well. We'll start from okay, don't worry Sneha, I'll explain. Aditi, where can you practice? From the question bank. You're a plus subscriber, तो आपको practice test करके आता है. अच्छा, come on guys, let's discuss this. Okay, I will inform when we start off with it. One minute. Okay, we'll start off from the 6th of September, guys. We start off from the 6th of September. Okay, come on, guys. Let's discuss this. The new plus batch. Okay, we'll just take a break for a week because this batch gets over on 31st. So, एक हफ्ते का break लेके we start off again on 6th. 6th September. No, Shubham. This will be for 21, but it's a complete crash. So you should attend. And then October 2022 and 2022 के लिए separate batch होगा. Okay, come on, guys. Let's discuss this now. As a generalist standing at the threshold of your career, are you worried that while the world is talking about specializations in field like data science, machine learning, analytics, you don't stand a chance? Well, this may come as a surprise, but hiring experts say a large number of companies today are looking for generalists at entry levels. Who is a generalist? Is a person who has the aptitude and skills which can be applied in different generic fields. Specialist is one who takes up a certain subject matter and gains expertise. Generalists at some point can become specialists by upgrading their skills and rise up the hierarchy. With mishiring costs rising to anywhere between 5 to 7 times annual salaries, companies do not want to take that chance by hiring a wrong person. Okay, now guys, ye dekho. Can I say ki this is okay? We'll keep this on hold. While earlier at the time of hiring, one would lay emphasis on specific qualifications at the time of hiring, employers are now focusing more on cognitive abilities than on specialization. Okay. But companies are keen to bring on board generalists who can be molded into specialists. Now, your major problem over here is why but was used. Hi Anna, hi Enrique. See, ye dekho, generalists at some point can become specialists by upgrading their skills and rise up the hierarchy. At some point, when their skills get upgraded, natural progression may they become specialists. But companies are not looking at someone who at some point by upgrading his skills can become a specialist. They are hiring broad generalists who they can train and mold into specialists. Did you understand this point, guys? Why the word but has, I'm not saying, not yet explained why this is the answer. But did you understand the word but? Instead of waiting for at some point when their skills get upgraded because of the natural progression of work, they're not looking at that. They want them to, they want someone whom they can train and mold right away. Did you understand this? I'll explain the other options and this option, but did you understand the meaning of the word but? Some experts, however, believe while generalists may have a wider array of jobs to choose from, these at times can be loosely defined roles. Guys, the entire passage, is it from the opportunity that a generalist has or company's perspective? Company's perspective. Can I say ये हम लोग हटा सकते हैं? ये हम लोग हटा सकते हैं, guys. Fourth option. But you had a confusion between C and D. No, I'm sorry, wait. Some experts, however, believe while generalists may have a wider array of jobs to choose from, these at times can be loosely defined roles. Okay, right. Now, let's see others. Mishiring, 1 minute, guys, 1 second, just 1 second. Okay, right, guys. Now see this. Mishiring costs rising to anywhere between 5 to 7 times annual salary. Companies. Now, guys, this is too general. It does not talk about generalist versus specialist. Hi, Anna. Can I eliminate A? Can I eliminate A? Now, earlier. Why are you talking about earlier? Will this be a conclusion? Will this be a conclusion? And nobody is talking about cognitive abilities. So guys, cognitive ability, loosely defined roles, hiring a wrong person. See, it has to be a continuation of the previous sentence. The previous sentence talks about a generalist becoming a specialist. Which other option talks about a generalist transforming or becoming a specialist? It has to have some connect now with the preceding and the succeeding sentences. Which option talks about a generalist becoming a specialist? See, so that's why the answer option is C. Did all of you understand this? So Nil, they varied. I don't know actually, because I have a whole question bank like which I've compiled over years. Whenever I see a new question, whenever I see a good question, I compile it and then I take stuff from there. So I really don't know the exact. Bolo meat, of course. No, but Namya, that is talking about eventually that might happen. But C says they want someone whom they can immediately do it with. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to take your questions. Guys, किसी को question attach करना था ना एक CR का. Rohit, are you there, Rohit? I'll show you the leaderboard as well. Very good. Karan, Amit, Tanmay, Shivam, Nil, Rohan, Devanshu, Vishwaroop, Abhishek, and Anubhav. Very good, guys. Wonderful. Okay, I think Rohit's not there. Meet, you have attached? Chalo, guys, meet ka doubt dekhte hain, and then we can all go and have dinner. मीत आपका डाउट देख नहीं सकते. अच्छा दिख रहा है. ओके I will Sneha tonight. I will actually I was preparing combat tonight. I will. Okay. Isn't it C? Is it C? Meet C hai answer. Para completion. Okay, what did you go with, Meet? Bye-bye, Shubham. What did you go with? Okay, see, it's very simple here. They were thrown into conflict. You have to talk about a sentence which talks about the conflict being faced by women. Women क्या conflict face कर रही है? They are facing a conflict की should you take a drug in order to in order to give birth and risk taking cancer. This is the conflict कि the cancer versus giving birth वाला conflict चल रहा है उनके mind में. Smoking is completely irrelevant here. Similarly, it's anyway caused by other factors. So should we take this? No, it's about the conflict or the dilemma that they want to give birth, but at the same time, is it worth really risking cancer? So wo conflict unke man mein chal raha hai. That's why the answer option is C. Did you understand this? Jeopardize is to harm, damage. Got it, guys? Put in danger. Okay, got it, Meet? What is the conflict that the women are facing? Okay, so guys, I want everyone to take the subscription, iconic subscription, one-on-one mentoring, connect with, the graduates from Top B School, strategy, concepts, sab kuch. Don't forget to apply the code Ritu MBA while taking the subscription, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. I will see you all soon. Bye, guys. Do not forget to apply the code Ritu MBA. Pratima, tomorrow, plus class at 12, YouTube at 5, special at 8. 12, 5 and 8. Okay, plus at 12, YouTube at 5, special at 8. Okay, bye Enrique. Bye-bye guys. Take care.